Go hard or go home.
Oh!
$20. $20, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? We gotta go for the snack first, right?
Snacks first. Stay tuned for the hot peppers.
And the hot pepper comes in. Alright, we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
I don't like spicy food at all. I can't handle it, but I'm gonna do it. Doing it for you too.
Me need Asian coffee.
Ready to go one more time.
I'm ready to sweat. I'm ready to sweat. I got my
So
shorts on.
funny. Being on the house. Go ahead, Cody. Find it. Where's your key? Where's your glass and your key? Go get them.
A glass and a key. I just have.
Give me the key.
You want it?
Leave it right there.
Hey, Cody.
Regular ones, but they were stale and across the street.
Should we walk there?
Oh, look at the little dog! Look at the little dog!
Are we walking or driving?
Let's go.
Last time we did it from the bottom up, and I'm like, damn.
Alright, here we go.
Top down, always.
Now, Vanessa have a question.
How are you?
Vanessa
Good,
have a
how are
question.
you? Oh, gosh.
She have a question.
Okay. Wait, you're putting me on the spot.
We're Nicole on it. We're Nicole.
Can you gently straddle that unicorn? You won't survive. Yeah, I tried putting the baby on it. Let's see. Really? Even the little one? Yeah, it'll flatten out. Oh, sad. So next year, I'll make sure to bring like a nice sturdy one. Yeah, okay. We're gonna stuff it and then like right.
No, because I have to do that.
$5. We'll put you in the unicorn. $5 straddle the unicorn. Why not? Do it. Say hi.
Okay.
We had to ask. We had to get.
Here you go.
There's no, it's gonna flop down. So.
Jump on it. Alright, let's go to Asian store. See you later, little one. Bye.
Jen, get in. You'll fit.
Hey, what's going on? Oh, one more, go. There you go. This is the one.
What is it?
One like
I
that.
don't know. You thought.
Grab this one.
Peppers.
Hold on, we gotta grab a few of these right here. How many?
No.
How much? You want your dish, right? Grab some for your mom.
I guess I will have to.
Alright, let's go to the pepper section.
Okay.
Why is it upside down?
Let's go!
What is that? That's what's on Instagram.
Oh, those are so cute. What is that?
Mozzarella fish
Oh.
Yeah, what's on the video? Yeah, soup dumplings. Do that at home?
Right here.
What, this?
Yeah?
Nuh-uh. This is a bell pepper.
This is the pepper right there.
Oh, an arrow. Oh.
That's the
That
pepper.
was good.
Okay.
What color you like? Red or orange?
Oh, is there red hot habanero peppers or orange?
We're holding a...
Go over there. Give it to Dina. Give it to Dina. Go buy it.
That's like retail value, but that's price cheaper right now. Because I got it from the
Bagels? These are heavy. What are these?
She can put it over there. Okay, we gotta taste all that. Everybody's gonna test all that. So we gotta taste this. We gonna taste this too.
What is it?
And we're gonna test it.
Okay.
What flavor? Mocha?
Coffee? I like that. Mr. Brown, you could do better. Hey, weren't they backing up? What are these?
Okay, pack it up.
Corn rolls. Well, that looks good though.
Wow.
Oh.
What's this one?
Are we gonna rate it? We should rate it out of 10.
With the honey stick.
What you got?
One by one.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
And a pepper.
All right, and today we're gonna try Asian snack. All right, you go from there. See which one first.
Can we do this one first?
Okay, do that one first.
Crisscross.
Okay.
Wishy prawn crackers, spicy flavor.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. I just
Okay.
ripped that for you guys.
Take one down, pass it around.
It smells fishy.
Okay.
Not doing the fish.
Okay, go Nicole.
Oh.
Okay, Vanessa. What you guys think?
3 out of 10?
Oh yeah, we should rate that. It smells like a straight fish market. Oh, it does. I can't
I'm not a fishy person.
do fish markets.
Go.
Rate it. Rate it.
Rate it. One number, 1 to 10.
Negatives. 8 out of 10.
8. Okay, 8.
I like those.
1 to 10.
It looks like an ashtray.
This is gonna be our collection. 6.
It's 6. Okay.
We don't want to finish.
Okay, next.
Oh.
Next.
Okay, alright. I
Put that
think
one there.
should we
Put
go
that
for
one.
like savory and then sweet so it's not like, you know, like a little bit, a lot. I don't know.
All right, next.
Okay.
Crab chips. We'll get all the fish out of the way.
Oh, I opened it. Smell. Not bad. Not a bad smell.
Not bad.
Crab chips. Ooh, she popped the whole thing in there.
That's not bad.
That's not
but it's a
bad.
little bland. I'd say it's 3 out of 10 again.
See the bag.
3 is solid. It's not fishy.
Okay.
I can't tell.
They actually taste like bugles.
Bugle.
Yeah.
What's bugle?
Little things you put on your fingers?
Yeah, those pointy chips.
Oh.
They do, yeah.
Okay. Bugles.
6 out of 10.
Okay. I like the other ones better.
Yeah, I like the other one better.
Oh, the fish market?
I've had those before.
Okay, next bag.
Red pan.
Ooh, this looks
Oh, let me
garlicky.
see the picture there.
Yeah, toasted garlic flavor.
Ooh, okay.
That sounds good.
Oh no.
They're little like threads.
Oh, that's good. That's a 9 out of 10.
The 9 out of 10. Let me see the pictures.
I
They
like
use
that.
like croutons.
Yeah, I would eat those. I like that.
Okay.
A little
So
sweet
cute
too.
and tiny.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
It would be good in salad.
Yeah.
Or with hummus. No, I'd say 8 out of 10.
Okay.
No added MSG.
There we go. You hear that little?
I like
What are those?
Looks like me. Cheese ring with me.
All right, cheese ring.
Oh. Ooh, processed.
A sweet version of Cheetos. I like it. 9 out of 10.
Smell like mac and cheese.
Oh,
Good.
hold on.
Uh-oh, I got one in the
Oh.
middle of
Oh,
sexual
baby.
activities.
Look like-
8.5 out of 10.
Oh.
We're getting better.
You had half of one, so that counts. First, spicy
Barbecue.
barbecue flavor. Oh God. Preparing
I'm taking the
myself.
leftovers.
Not spicy. Barbecue-y. 7 out of 10. I like the crinkle.
Oh.
Oh. Way too salty.
Not spicy though. I mean, a lick.
Cut. What the fuck is V-cut? Like vagina? Like bikini style.
V-cut.
Like eat those and you won't fit in a V-cut. Well, the aftertaste is kind of nice.
7 out of 10.
Oh.
That's sweet.
Oh no.
That's like trash can.
Crunchy white sardines.
Aftertaste is good, but
I'm very
guys, I don't know if I can do the sardines.
I eat them out of the
I can do what you can do.
I used to eat sardines when I was younger.
Oh, I smell it.
You're never supposed to smell it before
scared.
you eat it.
I have. Oh!
Okay.
Oh! Don't do it.
I can't. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Okay, good. Vanessa, you got it?
I don't think so.
Yeah, so you have to. Still have it in my mouth.
I'm so
Small
proud
bite.
of you already. Your whole, don't smell it.
Smells like a fish market.
It's in my teeth now.
Oh man.
Negative.
Shame!
9 out of 10.
Wow.
I need something sweet right now.
Okay, get
Well,
the
yeah.
honey. The honey. These are honey
Those are
schlongs. Open those.
Oh my god. I don't want to forget this. I was excited about this one.
Redemption for the sardines.
Oh, I hope so. It looks like it does.
Okay, both of you guys.
Okay.
Oh, it smells
Try
good.
at the same time.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. I like that.
Croissanty? I like a croissant. That's good.
It's vanilla flavored.
Okay, next.
Okay.
I like that. I like those cream in there.
Ooh, that smells like cream cheese.
They did.
Okay, go for it.
They really
I
like
need
it.
home. Not fair.
Oh my god, I thought we were done with these.
No.
1 to 10.
Those are good.
Yeah, these are good. Yeah, I'll go
Okay.
9, 9.5.
This is Monthal Duran Bite.
Look, Mom, it's
Made
the
with-
devil.
We were trying to hide the chips. Hey, you want a tattoo?
Oh, I'm sorry. This reminds me of amoxicillin, and I used to throw up every time I had
Oh,
amoxicillin.
does it smell like it?
Let me see that.
Ew,
don't know
the
if I can-
bubble gum.
This is the final one. You guys better do this shit right now. Hold on to
It's
it.
for ear infections. I always had ear infections.
Hold on to
as a
it.
kid.
This is a final one right
Alright,
here.
fine.
That's a good one right here.
Might
Hold
get
on
sick.
to it.
Is it filled? Is it filled?
Alright, let's see this one. This is pictures right here, guys. Right here.
Amoxicillin.
All you Asian guy. Alright, go for it.
Nicole's face turned white.
It reminds me of my traumatic childhood.
I definitely wouldn't eat it again.
Smell good.
It doesn't taste as bad as it smells.
Yeah.
Like, I honestly actually probably
it's
could
gooey
finish this.
inside.
Oh, is it?
You know,
It's
not.
jelly.
Okay. Here's two right here.
Oh no.
Look, even the guy looks gross on the back. He's like throwing it up.
Go for it. Grab it.
I'm not even gonna
It's
smell
poopy
it.
green packaging.
Okay, you and Bina.
Oh, they do smell like
There you
amoxicillin pills.
Yeah.
Go
Alright,
ahead, Bean.
go for it.
Oh, she popped the whole thing. You like it?
Let's see it.
It's like it doesn't taste as bad as it smells. It's like weird.
Tastes like cereal.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Cream. Oh god. It looks like big butt icing.
Yeah, I thought the same thing, like a lady lock.
Ooh yeah.
Not bad. Smells like fucking hell.
It feels like foam.
Okay. It's like eating foam right here.
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Uh-uh.
What?
Oh, I like it.
Let me see that foam. Let me see that foam.
It's sweet but salty.
Ew! That's terrible.
What taste is that?
Nobody knows.
Corn. Like sweet corn.
There's nothing corn about that.
Corn.
I continue to eat this.
Corn. Sweet
Yeah.
corn.
I like it.
Oh, I didn't go like that. Okay, both you guys.
Nicole likes it.
Go
I
for
might
it.
like it.
Yeah.
It's a weird texture that I like.
Yeah, I like your texture.
Alright, see what,
This is gonna be the coconut roll.
go for it.
Oh, that is the smell.
Try to bite it. It's like foam.
It's like a full noodle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, eat that foam. That's a foam. That's a foam from UBS.
It's like
Peanuts, yeah.
I really like that. It's like kettle corn.
Yes. Yes, it is. It's sweet and salty at the same time.
Oh, you have to rate it.
That's a 9. That's one of my favorites.
Yeah, I'll give it a 9.
What?
A 9, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I like the
Definitely
texture. It's
not.
like a stale
very
Cheeto.
different.
Yes, but sweet. Same time.
You're gonna eat.
Looks like a paint roller.
I feel like I'm eating a pool noodle.
No. I always used to bite those things.
I said no.
Yeah, they're nothing.
Oh.
Purple.
Oh, that one's gonna be good. This
these
one's gonna be
smell
good.
good.
This is gonna be good. Let me see this one.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh,
Fall right off, huh?
oh, it smells so good.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you
my
two. Come on,
favorite.
you two. Let's go.
I'm still eating
10 out of
my pool
10.
noodle.
I want another one.
My pool noodle.
Go for it.
I love these.
That's good.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, break into four, like 4.
Okay.
Rip it up,
Yeah,
break
that's
into
a
4. Break into 4.
Looks like it has mold on top.
Small chunk.
Thank you. Oh, it smells like Play-Doh. I think I'll like it. I think I'll like it.
They got it. Small chunk, okay.
Ew! It does smell like
I
Play-Doh!
used to eat Play-Doh.
Oh.
She said, I'm ready.
Oh, I can't do this.
I'm not sure how I feel about the texture.
That is so terrible.
1 to 10. 1 to 10.
Someone did not eat Play-Doh as a child.
No, guess not. All the way to the bathroom. I feel like I'm
Is she
eating
okay?
white mold.
Alright, go for it.
Nice. A 5.
Who started? Not me.
Someone said what?
It's a chair.
What are these? Little donuts?
Mung bean.
Oh no, it looks like bagels.
I don't think.
Yo.
You know what?
No, I like those.
One each.
They're filled with something.
I like the stamp on top.
Thank you.
They're like greasy.
It's a bagel. Oh, not a bagel.
No.
What is in it? Is it more durian?
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh, I was excited for those.
I took way too big of
When
a
I was a kid.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, this one I eat when I was a kid. That was a good one.
Okay. Do it for Cody's childhood.
Cody. Whoa, comes with a packet.
Yeah.
Whoa, is it a flavor
A
packet?
spice packet?
You gotta do it the right way. Chili paste.
Mmm.
Yeah, put it in.
Smells it, gives it to me.
No, it's very good.
You got yourself a small little one.
Ah, shrimp chips. What?
Where you gonna go?
Oh my god.
Look at these two. Look at these two.
Oh, that's so bad.
I never ate that when I was a kid. I never ate that when I was a kid.
Oh, Cody. Cody, you
I
liar.
could do that fish, but this.
Hey Nicole, I never ate that when I was a kid.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like.
Say it.
How do you know?
That must be what something.
Say it. Say it,
No,
Pino.
it not taste like. It smell like.
Say it. Say
Like
it.
someone who hasn't washed their couch in a week.
She said it smells bad.
I never ate that in my life, to be honest.
That's messed up. I did that.
Okay, that one right there. Oh, I think it's far back. Yeah, you know this is gonna be good right here.
Yes. Nice finale. Not really, because I still have to eat my pepper, but I'm ready for that. Spicy over fishy any day. Any day.
All right, give the one each.
It tastes like a baby bottle pop. That's what it tastes
All right, pass it down. Come on. One each. Matter of fact, like two each. I know that.
Thank you.
Here you go.
I know I like
Yeah, that's gonna be
10
good.
out of 10. I was considering putting the Clorox in my mouth. My mouth did touch the sink accidentally. That's fine.
9 out of 10.
The monster. The monster.
What?
No.
What? Am I gonna get herpes or something? Oh no. Monster loogie? What are we talking about?
Monster pee-pee? Like, what's going on? Touch what?
Like, I went underneath the sink and my like, the top lip touched like the thing. What did you do?
She said, please help.
What did I just do? It was an accident. I was desperate. What? I don't want to know. I don't need to know.
The sink, not the toilet.
Not the toilet.
I was
No.
about to say, that's scary.
Cody cleaned the toilet the other day. I said, if something doesn't happen in this toilet, I'm asking Santa for a new So Cody went in there and said, okay, it's all clean. And I said, you cleaned it? He goes, I did. And we go back there and we were like,
She was screaming. It
I
was
said-
so funny.
we ran, and she said, it's a monster. There was like blobs under there.
Oh no!
So, Cody said, okay, I sprayed it with bleach, and we were like, what did you scrub it with? He's like, I didn't have to, it just fall off.
Oh, ew. Oh, very much. Don't let you fell off. No. I'm getting such a bad visual because I remember we looked under there the day after I cleaned it, and I didn't clean that off either.
It's gone now.
Oh, that's good.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared.
Habanero, guys.
I
You
know,
like
it's me,
spicy.
it's Jen that's scared.
This is only for Nicole though. $40 cash.
To eat the whole thing?
One.
You gotta eat the
I
whole
mean,
thing?
half is good.
Okay.
Alright.
I got this.
I'm confident.
You ready to dish out all that
All of a
money?
sudden confident.
I'm ready.
You ready to dish out all that money? If we all eat half?
I'm okay with the tattoo. I don't need the money.
No, only for her. Only for her.
Good, I don't want to eat that.
Only for her.
I don't eat any. It doesn't smell spicy.
Mm.
That
No,
was
they
just
never
concerning.
do until you break it.
All
and
right.
then the enzymes start doing their thing.
Just do the half all at once.
Should I just do the whole thing?
It's up to you.
All right. Go hard or go home.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! Oh!
I can't feel my tongue. My ears are ringing.
Oh!
Call the ambulance.
I can't feel my tongue. I always
How'd that
do the
feel?
wrong thing. Oh my god.
Is she allowed to eat a cookie with it?
I can't eat a cookie right now.
She's sweating! Look at her! She's sweating!
Oh!
Oh god. Not the monster toilet! Not the monster!
Oh.
No!
How's it taste?
I need water. It's starting to flush out. It's better. That's fine.
Goggle that thing up.
Oh. My tongue.
She said I always do the wrong thing. You want coffee?
No.
Next door.
Yeah, no, for real. Oh my god.
Oh no.
I'm not okay.
Oh no. Oh.
911? Stay away from that water. It's nasty.
I'm not drinking it.
Ice cream.
Oh.
Ice cream will work. You gotta get an ice cream.
Jen went to get milk. Come on. Not the monster toilet. I can't use the spoon. Is the ice cream helping? Oh
Right? Ice cream is better than
no. Milk.
the milk.
That's how bad it is. My nose is on fire.
No. Is it that bad?
Yes.
Tongue now. Jen's lips are gonna be on fire. She's gonna be like, oh yeah.
$10.
Do I need the whole thing?
A bite.
Half. A half that. For $10. Half.
Well,
not even
I gotta
half.
get to half.
Is there seeds in there?
That fools you though.
It doesn't, Jen. Run.
Oh.
Not yet, folks.
The only thing that helps
She,
is having water
she banana
consistently
pepper like
around.
nothing. Oh. She ordered pepper like nothing. Cheese.
Oh, she's still going. He said, "I'll give you the money." Put it down. I don't believe him.
$10.
$10 make
Yeah.
Do it right now. Oh, while you're in the chair.
It's okay. I record you guys, right?
Huh?
I'm gonna put you down.
Does he
You
have permission to it? I'm done.
Oh no, it's Costa Ricans. Hey, don't put me on camera.
good, right? Oh!
I just come on.
this, Oscar.
Who was it that ate it last night? It was you. Come on, Oscar.
Like a whole habanero pepper?
Yeah.
Come on.
To eat a jalapeno?
She just ate one.
Habanero.
Half. I'll do the whole thing.
This is the whole thing?
I'll eat the whole thing.
Oh, okay, no.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Let's get it
I
right
cut
now.
his hair.
Let's get it
Oh,
right
no,
now.
no. Open there. Hey.
Let's get it right now. Chris, you'll do it right now?
I'll do it.
Hold right now.
$20.
He's like, no.
You only ate a little bit. He's gonna be the whole
Oh
thing.
my gosh.
Wait, I wanna watch this.
Oh.
$20. $20, guys. Oh, he ate like apple.
Oh. He's regretting it. No regrets.
What's in my hair? What the fuck are you doing?
I'm watching for the sweat beads.
He's starting.
Oh, my bad.
Always getting red.
He's trying so hard.
Is it starting?
No, mine doesn't matter.
Is it starting?
And he's cutting
He's
hair.
swallowing it.
Chris is a natural.
Apple.
Oh.
Apple.
Oh, an after effect.
There you go. There you go. $20.
All that shit.
Wow. Oh my god.
$20.
It's in your mouth. It's gonna make it
Oh.
worse.
That's gonna make it worse, Chris. It's both different.
Earlier.
Give him the $20 back. He took it back.
What kind of music was on earlier?
It doesn't matter if it's a TV playing music. It only matters if you add it to your background.
Oh.
No, it does.
Oh, he's dating like. Go to the bathroom. Go to
Oh. Habanero, huh?
Selena.
He had to go hide.
I said you can't do that, man. You'll die.
What do you guys think?
Nutbag. Crazy, crazy. Crazy. No thanks.
My stomach was spitting out before I even.
My mouth hurts.
Oh god.
What's going on? What's going on?
I don't know. Chris is throwing up right now.
Ah! Josh.
Josh.
I'm the backup.
I'm the bad guy.
Josh. $20.
I'm good.
20 minutes later.
It goes the other way.
Chris, the more you
Chris, don't shit the bed later.
I misjudged the situation.
Let go.
It's so bad.
Like I'm still unwell.
Jeez. That is
Touch
so
your
bad.
Yeah, no, I did. I'm sweating.
Oh, apple.
Oh, I still hold
Josh, $20. Come on.
Is that worth $20?
Was worth the 20?
Merci. Thank you for the food.
That's you. I mean, you're getting this wrong.
Everyone smells it.
Okay.
Nobody said anything about
Ready?
diverticulitis. I can't.
What the fuck?
I have diverticulitis.
Oh my god, that's diarrhea.
Yeah, my intestines. Not
I thought it was the uterus.
He doesn't have a uterus.
Where's Robert?
He failed.
Robert!
Chris just ate that thing. Chris ate that thing.
No, that'll mess me up. Hell, I'm in pain right now from that shit I got.
I am not
Hey,
well.
what's going on? It's Cody over here. This is Nicole.
Hey!
Don't forget, like and what?
Like, share, and subscribe. And share.
Yeah, with the pepper. Yeah, she loves it. Right? You love it?
I do not loves it at all. My mouth feels like there's been a fire inside of it. I feel like a chimney. I ate ice cream with snot running down my nose. I didn't even use a spoon.
And she's lactose intolerant.
Yeah.
Vanessa.
Yeah.
She loves it.
I do not
She
love it.
loves it. She loves it.
I
I
just
love
like
it.
my
She loves
special
it.
water.
Special waters on it.
I needed that.
That's Cambodian emergency.
Yes. That was a severe emergency.
In Italy,
All
that's
right.
the only water they serve.
Peace.